Okay, movable. Okay, stop here. That's another loading check. For now, let us check the connection of the auto minting press. And let's check the wire connections. Okay, here, this is main power line to the three-phase 380. Okay, and this is a feeding system and with a press. So we check the connections. Or we here connect to the air compressor. Okay, here already connected. And the number one, we will mark number one. Here is the power line to the feeding system. Okay, first one connect to the come out to here, and number two already connected. 3, 4, 5 is another line. Okay, come to the guide. Is the guide connection. We already marked the numbers. And number seven. Okay, it connect to the loading track. Okay, the storage. Okay, number 7 connect to storage. When you get it, you just connect them one by one as the number. Okay, so machine inside. Okay, here is one connection. Okay, when you get it, you connect it here. This is to control the fetching. Okay, fetching head. And here is a power line. Gives a sensor, gives a signal to the guide, fetching guide. Okay, here's 2. When you get it, you will be connected. That's the first part. Here is a storage track. Just here, connect here. Okay, number 7. That's all the connections. For now, we take video about the reset to adjust the position of the each feeding system and the press. Okay, reset.
手动情况下启动电机。
In manual mode and the start mode, and press reset.
等一下，看得到。还有启动。
Okay. Press reset. Okay. When the red become full red, surround become full red, it will be reset. Okay, reset well. Okay. For now, let us introduce how to install the auto minting press. Let's check the position of the feeding system. Okay. 然后你说你操作好了。Okay. Press the installation. Okay. Up and down cylinder on. It means
在取料位，这个轴在取料
for
位。
now, the guide is in the fetching position. In fetching position.
然后点这个。
Press the cylinder off. It will be go up. It will be go up.
这个。
Vacuum off.
然后气缸升起来。气缸升起来，然后
Okay. Press the feeding position. Press the feeding position. It will be come to the storage track.
然后这个料盘放了，这里灯一定要亮啊。
Okay, we must make sure the sensor light is on. Okay, this up and down cylinder is this one, up and down. Vacuum on is vacuum on to suction. Okay, and this is 3 position. Fetching position is here. Guide is here. Feeding position is guided there. And the punch position is in the center. And for now, we already moved the storage chuck to the right position. Okay, for moving. Make sure the coin is in the center of the storage chuck. Okay, if fix, okay, let's fix the corner.
哎，张总。
There's one sensor here. When the corner, the island button touch the sensor, the plate will be stopped. Okay, when finish this load, he will be moved to the next loading line. There's one sensor here. Will be touch here, it will be stopped. Okay.
看一下这个，像这种，就是说气缸在下面的时候有点那种风，这个。
Okay, when the cylinder down, there's little space to the chuck. Okay, that's the right position. Okay, let's check the vacuum off.
我们过一点，不用。
Vacuum off. Okay, that's the right position. Okay, that's okay now. So we fix it. Next step, let's check the fetching position. Okay,
然后调这个吧，你等一下，暂停。
Okay, for now, let's adjust the position of feeding system. Put the material inside. And cylinder down. And fetch. Vacuum on. Up and feeding. Move to feeding position. Feeding position, first one. Cylinder down. Let's check the position. Okay, it's not right. We must make sure the coin is in the center. So let's move the feeding system. Okay, for this little adjustment, we use the hammer, rubber hammer.
磨的时候把这个气缸升起来。
Okay, and vacuum on, and to move. This is for little adjustment. Not right. Still a little. Okay, it means correct. It shows correct. Okay, for now, that's the right one. Then we fetch back. Also come back to the center. So double check all the center. So then position is right. That's the fixed one.
我这开过来啊。
And then move back again. Double check. Okay, right. That's correct. Okay, that's the position of the feeding system installation. Everything is okay, then we can start operation. Okay. That's all the process. Okay, that's the sensor. Linking press. This is the loading chuck. We put the material inside. Okay. After loading, we put on the chuck. There's a sensor on the bottom. It will be checking the material. Okay. Lock it. Close the door. Okay. We press reset. Up. Menu reset. Okay, rotating the shaft. Okay, stop. So we press the rotating shelf reset. It will become to the right position. Okay, the material is reset well. And before starting, we make sure the menu to auto. Okay, the screen in this parameter, it shows automatic selection. Okay, you must keep it green and go into the main menu. Pressure is 90 done for the 1 ounce silver. Okay, for now we can start the machine automatically. Okay.
然后打到 auto。
Okay, press auto. 好，开始。Press start.
我来接受这个。
The loading track will be go up slowly. Automatic. Okay, around top, it will be sensors. Okay, for now it's in fully automatic running. For now, 1 minute will be auto mint, 6 to 7 pieces more or less. Okay, finish one, already come down. It will be switch to the second one. If it's a material, if load high, it will be quickly to reach the top, and then it will be go up the speed. Okay, fetch.它已经过来了。There's one sensor here. When the loading, it will be set a quantity here. 1, 2. If full loading one line, it will be switched to the second line automatically. Okay, movable. Okay, stop here.
这个放这里。
Says another loading check. Okay.我有个问题啊，你刚才如果架子啊放在那里，一起放在那里的话，它也会自动推过来吗？
不会，你这个必须，它这里不亮一个红灯吗？
啊
等这边红灯灭了之后，
哦，这里 there's also one sensor. If have some loading check is here, the belt will not move.
你来看，马上走一个空位了。那个是没放的。
Okay, if the machine
没检测料，它自己就转了。
find there's no material on one line, it will be go through the next lines. All machine finished.
它会转一个位。
Okay, all 6 lines already finished. It will be checked the next one to make sure all material is finished. Okay, for now we just turn on the warming. Okay, when finish all the material, the warming will be start and the light will be become red. Okay, so you can switch the second chuck load on it.